Guys, welcome back to my channel, The Mindful Lifestyle. So I hope you all are fine and I missed you a lot, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to click on the notification bell icon so that you will be updated with my videos that are coming, in just 2 to 3 days. So today I am gonna talk about a hair product, not shampoo, not conditioner, not hair mask, but a hair tonic. Okay, so it's the Mamaearth Pro Growth Hair Tonic with caffeine, red ginseng and basil oil. So this is the packaging, the product I'm talking about, and I have been using this for 2 months. So just this much of it is left, and then I thought that now it is the correct time to give the perfect review. Yeah, so this is a 100 ml bottle, and I was using it sometimes twice a week and sometimes thrice a week. So if you're using in this manner, so you will be finishing this bottle by 2 months or 2.5 months for sure. So yeah, this much is just left, and that's why I am here to give you the review. So this comes in a spray bottle like this. I am showing you people the consistency. Okay, so guys, this is the close view of the hair tonic bottle. Okay, and this is the cap, this is the spray, and just I'll show you the spray. See, it's very watery. Again, I'll do, see, it's very watery. Okay, let's quickly see what are the ingredients here. It's infused with caffeine, red ginseng and basil oil. Basil is an Indian herb. It's a variation of tulsi. Red ginseng is a very good ingredient, and most of the Korean products, if you the most of the Korean products you get in the market consist this red ginseng, even in cream. So that's a really good ingredient. See, this is the basically red ginseng thing. And caffeine is coffee is very much good for your hair and skin even. So the ingredients that this tonic contains is really nice. Okay, and this is the see the back cover. Okay, direction for use, it is written: apply directly onto scalp, use enough to dampen the scalp and gently massage with fingertip. Visible results may occur with 6 weeks of regular use. So I have already used 6 weeks, and then I will be giving the complete review, detailed honest review. So yeah, let's get forward with the video. I love Mamaearth products because it is dermatologically tested, cruelty free, paraben free, alcohol free. It is free from all the chemical preservatives and things. Mamaearth products are actually absolutely made from the all natural ingredients, and that's why I love using the Mamaearth products. But the one question all of you are asking is it worth it? Does it grow your hair? Actually, I will definitely answer you guys honestly, but I will first show you how to apply this product. Okay, so I'm taking out my hairband and combing my hair. Yeah, so I have a quite long hair. That's one good point I'm having, but my volume, the hair volume is really less. Okay, so that's why I was using this Pro Hair Growth Tonic. Okay, now I'll see, you can see my partition, and I'll be see spraying here in my partition. Then again I'll take some segment, see, again with hand I'll take some segment. Okay, so one part is over. Again I'll do the same with the other side. Okay, and also please don't forget, don't miss out the back portion of your hair. So see, now I'll just with my hands, not with my nails, I'll just massage it. And guys, apply this, I will tell you people to apply this on the clean hair, not in the oily or dirty hair, please, because this is a hair tonic. Okay, so please don't apply it in any, like the dirty hair or oily, full on oily hair. So if your hair is clean and dry, please apply it then. Okay, done. And now I'll just put my again hair back. Or if you want to comb it, you just can comb it once and then put your hair back, or tie your hair. Okay, so I'll be shooting the video, that's why I'm not tying my hair. Okay, so now coming to the honest review. Guys, I have been using this for the last 2 months, and I can see little baby hairs, little bit, okay, not too much. And if you're talking about the growth of my hair, my growth of my hair was normal. Like before using this product, still it was fine. My hair fall has reduced a little bit, but if you are expecting 100% result, like you are not having hair fall, you're having a voluminous hair, I didn't get that much of result with this product. Excuse me. But the consistency is very watery like consistency. So see, there's no not chip-chipa things in my hair, so you can easily apply it and you can go out. So that is one thing I like about this hair tonic. And tonics are always very watery consistency, and it is perfectly that. And if you talk about the smell is very very light, adjustable. Like not too harsh smell you will have it. Smell is also fine, but 100% result if you're talking about, no, this product didn't give me 100% result. But if you still wanna purchase the product and try it for yourself, absolutely you can go and purchase it. I will mention the link in the description box, because yeah, maybe you can have much better results. That's what I expected. So yeah, please go and try it out and comment down if you are you get 100% result. I would definitely love to know that. So follow me guys, subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel. Follow me in my follow my Instagram account. I'll mention the link in the description box to get connected to me, and also message me or comment down what are the else products that you want me to review. I would definitely love to review them. Bye, love you all.